Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good afternoon, but it's also possible if you're from a different part of the world. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to a new video on Ethereum, which practically hasn't moved since Thursday evening. So it's, just overall, when we're taking a look at the market structure right now for Ethereum, there's barely any movement. And the same goes for Bitcoin, but it's slightly worrying. I do have a general idea of what to expect, or at least how to go at it with Ethereum. But right now, I would say that the market structure is very unstable. Like what we're seeing as well with Ethereum, and less so with Bitcoin, but definitely with Ethereum, is that the volume is actually dropping down drastically. So it's now at around 4.3 billion. I expect it to tomorrow to be around 3 billion or something. Last week we dropped down towards 4 billion, so we're already at the bottom of last week's weekend. So that's going to be tough, because if you have very low volume, then the smallest of orders can actually make the price move a lot. So that could be bullish, could also be bearish. So yeah, that's in general what we'll talk about in this video. Now, before we dive into that though, as you can also see from the top, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. I'm a full-time profitable trader, also in these market circumstances. So if you are interested in that, check out those links and you can actually find out some more information. You can also go to cilinix.com and sign up there. But for now, onto Ethereum. So market structure right now, if you zoom out, perhaps we are still bullish. Perhaps you could make an argument that there's still some sort of a channel like this going on, and that's actually respected. So overall, I do think we are still bullish, even with all of the news going on and stuff. But on the short term, like if we really zoom in, we're just consolidating. Like the EMAs are practically flat around 1900. So we are consolidating, I would say, in this area right here, which is actually a pretty tight area between 1920 and 1875. I think this is just the area which we are in, all right? And that's a situation, we'll have to live with that. But you can actually make some money with that. So my general plan with Ethereum is, first of all, to stay out until we have some market direction. I think overall, if you take a look at Bitcoin and you zoom out to the daily time frame, I still think we are quite bullish and that we can still expect bullish momentum. And because of the correlation between Ethereum and Bitcoin, therefore, I think it's also more likely to still get some more bullish momentum for Ethereum than to get some bearish momentum. But then again, and we'll talk about that tomorrow as well a little bit more, then again, we do next week have the interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve and a press conference. If that's going to turn out bearish, then we might just become bearish, right? So we could go both ways. So what we'll be waiting for, and what I would suggest you wait for as well, is either a bullish breakout above 1920, which would be bullish confirmation, and from there I think we could actually regain some momentum and possibly get all the way up to 2020, our previous top that we made the 13th of July. So either we do that, or on the other hand, like I said, if we get some bad news with this low volume, this could easily happen as well, that we drop down below 1875. And the moment we do that, we'll drop down all the way to 1814 and 1830, and it's more likely to actually continue with some bearish momentum. That's just what to wait for. So if you think I just said we can go up or down, well, yes. I mean, nobody can predict the market 100%, and at some points of time, you just have to wait for confirmation. Especially if you're consolidating, if you're barely moving, you'll just have to wait for confirmation by the market and then trade and then anticipate that. Like I said, I think it's a little bit more likely that we are still bullish because of the correlation with Bitcoin and what I expect from Bitcoin. But overall, I see these as 50-50 in terms of chances. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for now. I will probably be back tomorrow with another update, focusing a little bit on the fundamentals and the news of next week. But for now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.